Good morning and welcome to ForexTV.com's AM Forex New York. Today is Thursday, February 14th. I'm Caitlin Sisney. The pound rose for a fifth day against the dollar and a sixth day versus the euro, as stocks advanced, boosting appetite for high-yielding currencies. The currency also rose as traders reduced bets on interest rate cuts by the Bank of England this year, after Governor Mervyn King said yesterday price growth will overshoot the bank's 2% goal in 2 years. Sterling is trading at 197.04. The dollar fell against 11 of the 16 most active currencies before Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke's testimony today to the Senate Banking Committee, in which he may signal policymakers' readiness to cut interest rates again to avert a recession. Bernanke and Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson will testify on the U.S. economy and financial markets at 10 a.m. in Washington today. Yesterday, the dollar strengthened as retail sales unexpectedly rose 0.3% in January after declining 0.4% the previous month. The euro stayed higher after a European Union report showed growth in the $10.5 trillion economy halved in the fourth quarter. Gross domestic product rose 0.4% from the third quarter, when it increased 0.8%, the EU Statistics Office said in Luxembourg today. Euro is trading at 146.13. Meanwhile, yen is trading at 108.26. Today we're joined by Meg Browne from Browne Brothers Harriman. Meg will give her outlook for the Forex market.
Morning. The euro is firmer today. We don't expect this to last. The currency has been unable to even retest the resistance level around 146.50-60. It's now a bit overbought. We think that as Bernanke and Paulson start to testify, and also with the narrowing of the U.S. trade deficit, the euro will begin to come back down through 146, retesting the 145.60 level. Paulson and Bernanke are both likely to downplay the risk of a recession, and with the trade deficit narrowing, we think that the euro is continuing to carve out a top. We think this will contribute to one more factor that will help the euro begin a downtrend in the second quarter. The dollar against the yen is still above the 108 level. The stronger than expected Japanese GDP had little impact on the yen, nor did the Nikkei's strong rebound today. The speculative market appears to be long yen, both in the U.S. and Japan, based on IMM data and on also Japanese data. So one of the factors that may be driving the yen now is that the upside momentum in the yen is fading, and speculators are beginning to trim their positions.
Thank you, Meg. That's all for your AM Forex New York. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later for another update right here on ForexTV.com.